Alyssa, what are you eating? Pet food? Oh, is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Baby? What's the baby's name? That's right, baby Alyssa. And what's baby Alyssa eating? What are you eating? Are you eating pet food? Is it good? What's in your mouth? Did that whole thing fit in your mouth? Do that again. What's in your mouth? Okay, all done.